This something has broken. My chain has come off. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
We had to tighten it.
Yeah, it was that loose. It's come off. Come on, let's go. All right, time to pull out the tools and get this fixed up. Before we pack things up, I want to mention that we did this whole thing. We removed the axle bolt, removed the tire, removed the front cover, got the chain back on, everything using just these tools. These two are mine and these two are his. I have one of these inside my bag actually. This is the Nipex wrench plier, 0 to 40 mm, adjustable. So basically you can change it to the size that you need. And this is the Motion Pro multi-tool. This is something I've shown previously. But all of my box spanners, 1/4 inch drive, screwdriver, 5/6 Allen key, everything's in here. It's a multi-tool which is fabulous. That is
This is also something that you can use as a tire lever, which also has a wrench. And I think these two together
22
will
mm.
kind of 22 mm.
on this side, so that removes the tire
So
bolt.
you can buy the ones that are suitable for your motorcycle.
Yeah.
And fortunately 22 mm goes on the KTM 390 and the Xpulse over here.
Xpulse. And he also has an Nipex wrench plier adjustable, but I think it's a bit larger than mine. Yeah. So basically, effectively the toolkit is just this small to get stuff done. Sorry, pack up time.
Pack up.
Time to continue riding. Your lever position has changed a bit, but yeah, we have a drivetrain again. Yeah, my motorcycle works. Let the trail continue.